Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Home to Holiday. My name is Harshita. So often it happens that I am literally hunting things in my bag because I stuff my bag with so many things, and then when I actually want something, I couldn't find it. And I'm sure most of you guys face the same problem. I also like changing my bags quite often when I go to work. But I honestly avoid doing it because then मुझे सारा सामान एक बैग से निकाल के दूसरे बैग में शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा, और इसीलिए I prefer not changing my bags. बट जब से मैंने एक हैंड बैग ऑर्गेनाइजर यूज करना शुरू किया है, मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम जो है वो एकदम सॉल्व हो गया है. सो लेट मी शो यू हाउ आई ऑर्गेनाइज माई बैग एंड हाउ हेल्पफुल इज द हैंड बैग ऑर्गेनाइजर. बट बिफोर आई शो यू दैट, आई वुड रियली रिक्वेस्ट यू टू subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Let's take a look. So this is my handbag organizer, and I'm going to show you different pockets that it has. It basically comes with, I think, 13 pockets. To begin with, here there are 4 mesh pockets, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and also 2 huge pockets here. On the other side, there are 2 big mesh pockets and the 2 pockets behind it. Then there are 2 zip pockets here. This is one zip pocket here and the other zip pocket on the other side, and a center big pocket here. The best thing about the bag is that it comes with handle, so it's very easy and convenient to change it from one bag to the other bag. And also it comes with these buttons on either side, so it is very feasible if you have a smaller thin handbag, or if you want to make it collapsible. It is very easy and it is very nice to collapse it. So let me show you what all things I have in my handbag organizer. To begin with, okay, in this pocket there is a mouthwash, in case, you know, if I'm at work and I had onion, garlic or something, I really don't like me smelling, so I carry a small mouthwash with me. Soap strip, this is a hand sanitizer. In this pocket I have my products like the powder, my lipstick, then a lip gloss, cream, a small bottle of Vaseline, and a small bottle of a lip balm. Next here is a few safety pins and a rubber band, a miniature perfume. This is very handy, guys. I'm telling you, everyone must have one miniature perfume in their bag. My car keys. This is a roll-on anti-mosquito repellent roll-on. On the other side here, I have a sanitary wipes with me, a book, small notebook, notepad, and a pen. My phone, my charging cord, and my earphones. This is a deodorant which I like to have it with me. It is a must have. Then my wallet, a comb, and that's it. And despite of having so much stuff in my bag, I still have one pocket free and the other one only had combs. Also a tip, I really don't have any parking slips or receipts with me right now to show you guys, but in case if you are the one who has a lot of receipts and parking slips with you, you can use one of the pockets to keep your slips here. But I still have a lot of place in my organizer to keep a lot more things. तो गाइस, आप लोगों ने देखा कि किस तरह से मैंने अपना इतना सारा सामान हैंडबैग ऑर्गेनाइजर में फिट कर लिया है. I'll just show you how it looks. ये मेरी बैग में है हमारा हैंडबैग ऑर्गेनाइजर, एंड इट इज़ वेरी इजी एंड कन्वीनियंट टू चेंज द बैग्स ऑल्सो. आपने बस इसको निकालना है बाहर, और जो भी बैग आपको चाहिए उस बैग में इसे इजीली हम इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. so easy it is. So I would really suggest all of you कि हर किसी ने हैंडबैग ऑर्गेनाइजर में इन्वेस्ट करना ही चाहिए. In case आप लोगों को लिंक चाहिए, I am going to leave the link from where you can buy the handbag organizer. And I hope you guys like the video. Please give a thumbs up to the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you still haven't subscribed, and ring the bell button to be updated with all my latest videos. Thank you.